Kia ora, ko whara rangi koe papamara hau, ngā mihi mahana ki a koe. Kia ora, my name's Whara rangi koe papamara and I'm the Associate Dean Māori for Massey Business School. And I just wanted to send out a mihi and congratulations to you and your whānau for graduating from our business school. And it's always a proud moment for everyone to know that we've had another Māori student go through the system and come out the other end brighter and in most cases more confident and ready to take on the world. So we wish you all the best as you go on your next part of the journey, and please keep in touch. Kia ora.
The Māori graduates of the Massey Business School graduating in Manawatū, May 2020 are as follows. Graduating with a Bachelor of Accountancy, no Ngāti Tū Wharetoa, are Amanda Rāwhiti. Graduating with a Bachelor of Business and Finance, no Ngā Ruahine, no Ngāti Ruanui, no Ngāti Tama, me Ngāti Mutunga ki Taranaki, are Danielle Brooks. Graduating with a Bachelor of Business and Human Resource Management, no Kaitahu, are Marion Gilbert. Graduating with a Bachelor of Business Accountancy, no Ngāti Awa, are Taylor Harris Broad. Graduating with a Bachelor in Business Information Systems, no Ngāti Raukawa, are Annie Moffat. Graduating with a Bachelor of Business and Organisational Technology Management, no Ngāti Awa, me Ngāti Apa, are Hale Niwa. Graduating with a Bachelor of Business and Accountancy, no Te Atiawa, are Shania Rona. Graduating with a Postgraduate Certificate in Business, no Te Ati Haunui a Pāpārangi, are Javel Pereka. Graduating with a Master of Advanced Leadership Practice with Distinction, no Ngāti Mutunga, no Te Atiawa, are Gavin Taylor. Graduating with a Master of Management in Management, no Ngāti Awa, are Jeffrey Wilson.